Alright guys, I hope you can hear me. Excuse the background noise, I'm just going to do some gameplay. I'm going to shut my door so I don't hear any noise. Alright guys, I'm just going to move on. I guess the bell doesn't work. Okay, how do I get this thing moving? I don't want to derail it. Is there a number on this streetcar? There is. 501 on Route 504 are older TTC streetcars from the 70s and mid-80s. After we get out of here, oh, there's a vehicle ahead of us. I'm gonna have to blow my horn or get out of this vehicle and get into the other vehicle. Let's speed up a little bit. Really? Okay, I'm gonna have to get out of this streetcar and get in the other one. Sorry. Okay. I'm trying to jump out. So whoever left this just ruined everything. How do I jump out? Here we go. Oh shoot, I just jumped back in the passenger seat. And what vehicle is this? 401 again on 504. Okay, so I think the generator generates all the numbers the same. We are running a route on, is it King Street? Yes. Okay. Forward, let's go. Off we go. Off we go into nowhere. Let's speed this thing up a little bit. There's a stop up there. I don't know because it just disappeared. Yes it is, I need to slow down. There's stops up ahead. There's a derailed streetcar up ahead. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to continue this video, I'm sorry. Too many people ruined it. I can probably back up. Let's go. I just remembered I cannot back up because my streetcar is in the way. So, I know it was a bad run, but, I'm sorry guys, I'm gonna have to stop it here. I didn't know people were gonna ruin it like this. I'll do another one, like, subscribe to another one. Thanks for watching. Fan Plus Gaming out.